How to create a resume that will get you hired. Your resume is your first impression to a potential employer. It is your chance to showcase your skills and experience. A well-written resume can help you get your foot in the door and land an interview. Here are some tips for creating a resume that will get you hired. Choose the right format. There are 3 main formats for resumes: chronological, functional, and combination. Choose the format that best highlights your skills and experience. Start with a strong summary. Your summary should be a brief overview of your qualifications. It should highlight your most relevant skills and experience. List your work experience. Include your job title, company name, location, dates of employment, and key accomplishments. Use action verbs to describe your responsibilities. Highlight your education. List your degrees, certifications, and relevant coursework. Showcase your skills. Include a section on your resume that highlights your skills. This could include technical skills, soft skills, or industry-specific skills. Quantify your accomplishments. Whenever possible, quantify your accomplishments. For example, instead of saying increased sales, say increased sales by 20%. Tailor your resume to each job. Your resume should be tailored to each job you apply for. Make sure to highlight the skills and experience that are most relevant to the position. Proofread carefully. Your resume should be free of errors. Have a friend or family member proofread it for you before submitting it. Additional tips. Use keywords. Use keywords from the job description in your resume. This will help your resume get noticed by applicant tracking systems. Keep it concise. Your resume should be no more than 1 or 2 pages long. Use a professional font. Choose a font that is easy to read, such as Arial or Times New Roman. Make sure your resume is visually appealing. Use white space and headings to make your resume easy to read. Your resume is your first opportunity to make a good impression on a potential employer. By following these tips, you can create a resume that will help you get noticed and land an interview. For more tips and lessons like this, visit learnmoreuniversity.com for education after the bell rings.